Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bluehost affiliate program for shared hosting commissions step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Bluehost's main website. Once the page loads, scroll down to the footer. Locate the link for the affiliate program. Click on the link to access the Bluehost affiliate program page. On the affiliate program page, look for the login button. Click the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address associated with your Bluehost account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh and load your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Access your affiliate links and marketing materials from this page. You are now logged in and can manage your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.